State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean B. Practice presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning to Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Hey, Ms. Harris, are we ready on Ms. Lewis?
Yeah, she's requesting a trial date, Your Honor.
Let's call the city of Detroit. Are we ready, Ms. Williams? Well,
Yes, Judge.
let's call the city of Detroit versus Jasmine Monet Lewis, case number, and the state of Michigan versus Jasmine Monet Lewis, case number SP 1115981, counts 1, 2, and 3. That's X 34533371217335113. Counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to the staff. Cherika Harris, P72832, on behalf of Ms. Lewis. Ms. Lewis, please state your name for the record.
Jasmine Lewis.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute. We are respectfully requesting a trial date.
All right, good morning, Ms. Lewis. Today is the date and time set for a arraignment on the bench. When I'm going to enter not guilty on your behalf and give you a $0 bond. And your trial date will be June the 10th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
If you don't have any further questions, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Did you ask, what about Mr. Glowacki, Ms. Harris, is the city willing to dismiss by valid documentation?
Yes, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Derek James Glowacki, case number SP 166709661. Appearance for the record, please.
Cherika Harris, on behalf of the defendant, please state your name, sir.
Derek Glowacki.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Can you give your client a $0 bond? At this time, the court is going to dismiss the case with valid documentation. Mr. Glowacki, if you further, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
All right, thank you very much. So everything's good to go after this?
Everything's good to go.
Okay, thank you. Have a great day.
Oh, whisper.
Can't do that. call for the interpreter.
Yeah.
right, let's call it. You ready? City of Detroit versus James Douglas Owsley, case number, SP 1662448, counts 1 and counts 2, appearing for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Owsley.
James Osley.
All right, good morning to you, sir. Today is date time set for the show cause.
Your Honor, my client would avail himself of a people's offer to enter a plea to blocking traffic for the prohibited left turn charge, the no insurance matter to be dismissed.
Okay, you want to take the deal, Mr. Owsley?
Yes.
Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that responsible plea on your client's behalf.
So stipulated, Your Honor.
Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matter.
Yes, Your Honor, so stipulated.
I'm gonna enter not guilty plea on his behalf, give him $0 fine. I'm gonna fine you based on the stipulation responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, $175. When can you pay it, Mr. Owsley?
Next Friday.
Pay it by May the 11th, 2025. Pay it at any DivDat kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload the DivDat app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it, Mr. Owsley. If you don't have any further questions, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day, all right?
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Waiting on an interpreter, Mr. Lopez Romero. Today? Yeah. It's my brother's birthday. It's a bunch of people's birthday. Yeah. Warren Buffett is buying Tesla. Warren Buffett is buying Tesla. The woman true. Biggest all cash deal ever.
Yeah, I wasn't.
I rode in the Tesla one time, and it was like, this is like, I don't see where the money is, there's no.
Mid to you, mid, you didn't feel
It
like.
was just bland.
Yeah, that's how I felt.
It was super bland. I was like, dang,
Yeah.
even the screen was like one of those, you don't remember this old Atari screen. A video game where it's blocks of stuff. What's the track?
No.
It had one window, roll window down button, and that was it, and all of the stuff. You get into a car, especially that expensive, you want to see some buttons.
Yeah, you want to see some stuff. I felt the same.
I'm not interested. But it's got a follow.
It's trendy.
That's what it is. It's true. How long it's gonna last, but obviously,
It's a April Fool.
is it? Why is it on Yahoo Business?
They April Fooled us.
Stupid.
That's my daughter said. When I picked her up from school, this day, she like, tomorrow it's April Fool's Day. She was doing her hands like this. I was
Look
like,
at the, they're crazy. As soon as I go to it. What you see at the top. But April Fool's, this article is entire. It was published on April 1st. Warren has not acquired Tesla at all.
Oh, I see it down at the bottom.
They engage in April Fool's, it's crazy.
Yeah. You gotta see it at the bottom. Oh. They got me. It still doesn't change.
And their biggest selling point is that it drives itself. I'm straight on that. I don't.
Yeah, it's gonna take a minute for people like us to get it. See, we're old.
Yeah.
We're old.
And
That's like a young person's thing.
especially after I watched the one movie where all those cars were Tesla, or the likes of him driving. Did you see it?
Now, I did see, you watch iRobot, right?
Yeah, long time ago.
Okay. Well, if you look now, they have robots that are doing flips, karate, everything.
They got the dog robot, the police dog robot.
Everything. I was watching the other day, these robots were doing break dancing, karate, and I'm like, so, but I didn't learn in law school. No, first of all, movies are nothing but basically the glimpse of the future. And I know that they already have that technology. They're just gonna, I think, something they integrate, introduce into the movie to prepare us, And when I saw that robot doing those things, oh, Jesus. And then you got AI, the AI stuff. That stuff is going to give that robot. I mean, it goes way back to they'll have flying first, but it goes way back to RoboCop, where this robot is gonna have to be thinking for itself.
That was how long ago? Say you.
80s.
80s. Now it's coming.
Yeah.
But in Leave the World Behind, I'm not gonna tell you, but
Leave the world behind.
Leave the World Behind, the Smiths, Jada, I think they said, produced that movie. In this case, there's about, the threat, in the first thing that they'll attack is
Yeah.
So you had planes rolling up the sky. You had, all the self-driven cars just
Random.
ramming it one by one. They were in the same freeway, programmed to the list, and you just see comic speed, just ramming each other. I said, that alone, and I saw something where somebody ordered like a Uber, but it was, like a self-driven, so nobody was driving for their, and it was in a glitch, it was stuck on the circles, and dude,
Can't get out.
and he couldn't get out, and he was like, what the,
This is some crazy stuff. Some crazy stuff.
you got ChatGPT taking over, doing therapy, like, some of my friends like, yeah, therapy session with ChatGPT.
Like mental health therapy.
Yeah, my daughter just got a job. Nice ways with using ChatGPT to give her all the key pointers, for her, to say the interview. AI is.
And that intelligent AI, so those iRobots, that those robots start thinking for themselves. That's where we'll go.
It make it to where it's telling, give it the information you want to have, and then say, tell it back to me, but it's using my terminology, my voice, what I would say. And then it talks back to me like, I'll tell you what, bro, this is what you need to do.
That's
I
great.
was like, what?
That's great. good.
Yeah, she, that's it. I said she was at the do best. Jan, that was it.
And I guess we're waiting on an interpreter, but one of the attorneys should go close, speak to Mr. Walker about we have. Good morning, Ms. Cox.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Can you state your name for the record, please?
Maria Cox, C-O-X.
And can you raise your right hand, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will truly, accurately, and impartially interpret in a manner now before the court and not divulge confidential communication, so help you God?
I do.
And do you swear or affirm that you'll interpret from English to Spanish and Spanish to English?
I do.
Very well. This is the city of Detroit versus Natalie Orlando Lopez Romero, case number SB 16661-721. Appearance for the record, please.
Llamando el caso del Estado contra Neftalí López Romero, SP 1666-1721, por favor, preséntense para las escrituras.
Neftalí López Romero.
Sherika Harris on behalf of Mr. Lopez Romero.
La abogada Sherika Harris, representando al señor López Romero.
For purposes of arraignment, my client stands mute.
Con el propósito de la lectura de cargos, mi cliente se queda en silencio.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf, give your client a $0 bond.
Yo le entro una declaración de no culpable a nombre de su cliente y la fianza es $0.
Your client has there's a warrant out for his arrest for a high BAC case in front of Judge Bryant.
Su cliente tiene una orden de arresto en un caso que está abierto en el juzgado del juez Bryan por tener un nivel de alcohol en la sangre muy alto.
I just wanted to make sure that he's aware of that.
Quiero que él sepa sobre eso, por eso lo digo.
Mr. Lopez Romero, I'm going to put you in the breakout room with Ms. Harris. Ms. Harris is going to get you an updated offer. Keep in mind, if you don't like the offer, you have an absolute right to withdraw.
Señor Romero, lo voy a poner en un cuarto privado para que hable con el abogado, para que ella le diga cuál es la oferta que le han hecho ahora. Pero acuérdese que si usted no le conviene esa oferta, tiene un derecho absoluto de pedir un juicio.
Okay.
Acepte la invitación al cuarto privado.
Morning. Morning, Judge. How are you?
I didn't see Officer Thomas.
Let me go find out.
Officer Thomas was here.
I saw her.
Yeah, we don't have much going on anyway.
All right, Judge. Good to see you.
Good to see you always. Okay, let's go back on the record with Mr. Lopez Romero. Mr. Romero, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Vamos a volver al caso del señor López Romero. Señor López Romero, le di la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado. Señora abogado, ¿cómo vamos a continuar?
Your Honor, my client is requesting the appointment of counsel.
Sonoría, mi cliente pide que le asignen un abogado.
I will also ask, could this case be transferred to follow along with the other case?
Y también pido a ver si estos dos casos pueden ponerlos juntos, estos dos cargos.
I think that he would have to, I wouldn't have any issue with that, but I don't think that from my past experience that Judge Bryant will accept the case from another court. But he can ask.
Dice, yo en mi experiencia, yo no creo que el juez Bryan acepte el otro caso en su corte, pero él puede preguntar.
Okay.
I'm going to give you a pre-trial date, sir, but May 2nd, 2025 at 8:30 a.m.
Ok, le voy a dar otra audiencia, señor, una audiencia preliminar, el 2 de mayo a las 8:30 de la mañana. Por favor, anótelo. I ask him to write it down, Your Honor.
I'm marking the file, needs a court-appointed attorney and needs a Spanish interpreter. So hopefully they give you a Spanish-speaking attorney as well.
Yo he puesto en su ficha que usted necesita una intérprete de español y ojalá también le pusieran un abogado que hable español.
Okay.
Okay.
I've seen it work where it's the same difference in this court's eyes where the attorney has gotten a global resolution in Judge Bryant's court, or at least with the city attorney, and it's worked out that way. But other than me being able to just send you over there, that's not an option unless Judge Bryant would agree.
Entonces, yo he visto en algunos casos que cuando hay otros cargos pendientes, el abogado ese día puede tratar de resolver con el abogado fiscal los dos casos el mismo día, pero yo no lo puedo mandar directamente al juzgado de la juez Bryant, pero algunas veces funciona, que se resuelve todo el mismo día.
Okay.
And answer the calls you don't recognize. One of those calls should be that appointed attorney. If you don't hear from that appointed attorney by May 2nd, your next court date, we'll get one appointed to you on the spot.
Ok, entonces, contesta el teléfono si les sale alguna llamada de un teléfono que tal vez usted no reconozca, que podría ser ese abogado. Si nadie lo ha llamado antes de ese día le asignamos un abogado que trabaje con usted.
And then you can take that up with your appointed attorney and they can look into that issue for you, okay, sir?
Entonces usted ese día, por favor, menciónele eso a su abogado y entonces a lo mejor él puede tratar de resolver eso el mismo día.
Okay.
And Your Honor, this interpreter on May 2nd is by assume with the same number in your court?
Yes.
Señor López, ese día se tiene que comunicar con el mismo número de Zoom como lo hizo ahora, estará frente a este mismo juez.
Ok, entonces el corte 2 de mayo es a las 8:30, a las 8:30.
So the hearing on May 2nd is at 8:30 then?
Yes.
Sí.
Ok,
If you don't have any further questions, sir, I wish you the best of luck and have a very good rest of your day.
¿No tiene ninguna otra pregunta? Señor, le deseo el mejor día y que tenga buena suerte.
esto, muchas gracias.
That is all. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Ron.
Ms. Cox.
Thank you, Ms. Harris. Have a good day, both of you.